Singer, depende sa tempo na ginagawa.
Ngayon kanina pong
Depende sa tempo.
nililista lang po namin.
Inaano pa namin, wala pang ano. Di ba, iniba pwedeng marami na?
Pwede na.
Oh, so, most likely, kailangan natin ng babae for that.
Amazing Grace?
Ikaw na lang.
Yeah.
Me? Okay.
Soprano,
Ano ba yung... I'm gonna do one song, right? So I'll do Amazing Grace.
Kasi puro kami bababa, so kailangan ng taas din.
Kailangan yung taas.
And instruments.
Aha.
Tapusin na natin yung casting. Ay, tapusin na kayo natin. Yung mga tao talaga para makapag-ano tayo.
Nandun pa sila.
Ano pa sila, no?
I forgot where I am, so. Don't know what song to memorize.
Who's singing guitar?
Oh, man.
I'm on the box, so I'm not gonna put my name on.
I think Kigoy. The guitar. Much fun. Gusto ko lang i-play ng mahina.
Lullaby, pero telling the story of you play.
Saan?
Wala ka rin siya.
Kanino? Sabihin mo.
See. If I make this expression, they'll laugh. Ay, kanina, di ba?
Ano, sige.
I noticed lang, kanina pag we were talking about that, di ba?
We
Yesterday?
can have a...
No, this morning.
Oh, did this morning?
Yeah.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Oh, kanina.
Long day.
Man.
Nalala ka mo nung ka before. Nung pinag-awayan kung ilang Fifi meron sa
When
poster.
Hindi ko, ngayon ko lang napansin nung sinabi ni Denise.
Do you want to play the maracas for Amazing Grace?
Sure.
Yeah, but... And then just when it's Amazing Grace, the chorus, just sing. You know the lyrics?
No, but
No,
it's
I don't
okay.
either.
Yun yung pang ano ko, pang, okay, tapos na. Yun na yung sigaw ko.
Yun na yung pinakaano mo. Pinakasigaw mo.
Doon ko na dinaan yung sigaw ko. Johnny tsaka si Kigoy sa confession room.
Yeah.
At si Bill.
I think costume, yung puting
Gusto niyo na Monggo?
voice choral. Pwede.
I have a feeling matagal pa to. Bigyan tayo ng time to. Yeah, I don't wanna stick it so...
It's in order.
Like if I have to do something, like yeah, I'm gonna practice.
Oh,
Especially with Tagalog, ako rin. Yeah. You wanna grab the lyrics? Tayo, yung wala tayo? Let's start. Pero when he's doing something, when he's doing something.
nandito ba ako sa Amazing Grace? Talaga nilagay pangalan ko? Okay.
Chorus lang kami, di ba? Yeah, chorus lang, right?
Part ko
Tapos,
talaga ako
ano,
ng
ano pa?
Grace. It's okay.
Yeah, do you want to be in it? I'm in it too. You have to play this. I think only me and Hassan are good at this.
Yeah, I don't know this stuff.
Because I heard Jericho play, but he doesn't keep the beat. And it's gonna ruin the song. So that's what I'm worried about. Unless he practices. And because he can play. It's just not the beat. I mean the rhythm. The melody, whatever.
Everyone gets Monggo.
Sige.
Wala pang aking katabi, ngunit hindi ako nag-iisa. At ikaw ay
Kuya Tol, alam mo yung canon?
Hindi, pakinig daw nung song sabi ni Jericho. Sabi niya, bakit ako na lang lagi mali dito? Papapiyahin na ako, organ na nga lang ako. Nakagawa na ako. Mamaya na lang namin pakinggan.
Guys, I was thinking, Wendy. I was thinking for the instruments, the costumes, they should all just wear the same thing. So, example, for the instruments, their costume, the people that are playing the instruments, they should just be wearing a green and a red shirt. Yeah. And the people that are singing will have their own costume. Yeah, yeah. Think so?
Not even like the beginning?
You know canon in the recital for piano and... Hindi, kakainin ko. I think we're all familiar with that.
Maybe,
But we don't.
I can't.
Like Victoria, seryoso. Seryoso ka? Seryoso? Oo, seryoso. Denise, kanya. Wala kang boses, oh. Kala mo naman may boses talaga. Kaya naman kasi.
Hindi ko maalala. Denise, kapanood ka ng My Sassy Girl. Yung Korean. Alam mo yung kanta doon habang nagpa-piano siya, tapos bumababa yung lalaki. Ano yun? Kanta.
Alam!
Oh, see?
Yung may rose?
May rose.
Yung nagpapiano siya, may rose siya.
Oo. Ano to? Kakainin talagang.
Pwede mong pakuluan. Gusto mo pakuluan ko?
Become musical players.
Pwede pakuluan, di ba? Pwede ito pakuluan, di ba, sa labat?
Ha? Let's go.
Pero wag na.
Kasi parang gasol eh. Sabi nito na ay maniwala. Gusto mo, palit tayo. Amin na yun. Sa akin na lang. Ito sa'yo.